Hello, Sweet Pea. This is Desire Sweet again. Our next topic is how can you delegate tasks as a business owner? And this is a very important one kasi napakahalaga na as a business owner, marunong tayong mag-delegate ng ating task. At sa umpisa, lalo na kapag bago ka pa lang na business owner or entrepreneur, napakahirap mag-delegate ng task. Lalo na at hands-on ka dun sa mga gawain within your brand. Sa design, sa logo, sa type of product na napili mo, napakaraming aspect, including sa sales at marketing. Well, how can you delegate them when you're already used to doing everything as a business owner? Unang-una, Sweet Pea, you have to learn to trust your employees or the people who are trying to help you. Because not all those tasks can be done by just one person. Oo, sa umpisa, habang wala ka pang gaanong customers, hindi pa siya ganun ka, massive, wala ka pang gaanong responsibilities. Sa umpisa, okay siya. Madali siya at hindi mo pa ganun ka kailangang mag-delegate. Pero habang nag-grow na yung negosyo mo, you have to learn to let go of the perfectionism. You have to learn to ask for help or else mababurn out ka. Especially sa kagaya kong working mom. Not only as a business owner, but also as a part-time nurse. When I was starting as a nurse, I've gotten used to basically doing everything. So it was a struggle to delegate to people of certain duties that needs to get done. Like you're gonna be needing help with another task within the list of the things that you need to do, and you're not really used to it. It's really, really hard. And you're not even sure if sometimes that person that you're delegating that task to can do it really well the way you